Hello guys and welcome back to another video. A lot of people cheat on the keto diet, especially in the beginning, and that's because they have unhandled insulin resistance. And one other reason is they just don't know the tools of ketogenic food replacements that exist.
Exactly, and you most likely crave pasta and bread and wheat products, and you think that you're never ever going to eat again a pasta bolognese or a spaghetti carbonara or things like this. And we did a video before on how to make keto spaghetti, and today we are going to make a keto pasta carbonara. It's one of my favorite meals. I love it, and today I'm gonna give this to you. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy the video.
And the only reason that this video can be made is because this product exists. And this is a fantastic product that we're going to link in the description below. It's basically keto noodles, almost 0 calories. It's made from a plant. It's basically 0 calories because it's 100% fiber. Yeah, so we're gonna use it.
So let's get cooking.
Yeah.
You need 5 of these little onions. 2 large ones will also be fine. And then you just cut them into squares. Alright, so the onions are done. Now you will add coconut oil, just a good amount. And we will add the onions in here. All of them. And just cook them through a little bit on low heat. And we will wait. This is ready, and now we will add to this bacon. I choose this already chopped up bacons for pack. How much is this? Roughly a half a kilo. And then you mix it up. And you just cook it, and we can season in the meantime. I will use black pepper, just a bit. Quality sea salt, Celtic sea salt. All the products linked in the description box below. And then you just cook this, and we are going to get some garlic, and we're gonna press fresh garlic on this. I'm using 5 garlic cloves. Now mix it up. This smells so delicious. The garlic, the bacon, the onion is like, I'm hungry. This is awesome. This is well cooked, and at this point you add heavy cream to this. It's as keto as you can get. It will be very high fat. We add 1 liter of heavy cream to this. We will wait until this cooks together. It's about like 5-10 minutes maybe. When it's boiling and there is little bubbles, I increase the heat to 7 in the meantime. So this is good now. I will put it down a bit, and now we will add fresh spices. I will add a little bit of cilantro, I think in English. A little bit of chive, as I like this very much. And how much you add is basically up to you. How spicy you like your food. So we will cook this together. It started to get thicker now that it boiled. And now we will add 6 egg yolks to make this really thick, like a sauce. And we're slowly going to add this and mix it together. Okay, good, so let's see. Just be slow, like this. And constantly mix, so you don't get an omelette into your spaghetti carbonara sauce. And then you can put the heat up now and constantly mix this together so you don't burn it until you get to boiling at least. And this will make it thicker. Now it's boiling, you see bubbles. This is good. Take it off the stove, turn off. When it cools down, it gets even thicker. And now we will do a taste try. Let's see. Tastes good, it just needs more salt. We'll add more salt. And then we will remix it. Awesome, I miss this taste so much. Okay, good. Now I will show you the noodles. This is noodles. You can buy this in a form of spaghetti. This is what I wanted to get, but they got sold out, so I had to go with the noodles. It's pretty much tastes the same, just the shape is different. But you can make it with noodles. If you like the spaghetti shape, buy the spaghetti. And of course the link will be in the description box below. And just for the record, I am not being sponsored for this product at all. It's just something I love and I recommend to people to eat it. We will arrange this with the water. Just a little bit wash it through. Good. And it's basically ready to eat. It's very simple, 2 minutes. Now you take a bowl, you pour in your noodles or spaghetti, and then we will add some of this sauce to this. And we will mix this together. Good, maybe I can get more meat, like this. Good. And now you can take as much as you want from this mixture on your plate. The good thing with these noodles or spaghetti that it takes the taste of your sauce. There's no other taste than the sauce. Probably would have been better to use the spaghetti, but they just didn't have any. Okay, and you can add Parmesan cheese on top. I will add in this form, and I like to decorate with the bigger pieces as well, like this. And then you can add some cilantro on the top to make it pretty. And then here is your spaghetti carbonara.
That looks amazing.
So there is nothing you have to deprive yourself from. Okay, good. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, check out our new website, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.